it's me again, Tom from TTT Tom's Tech Time, today with a new episode from Tel Aviv. Unfortunately, this introduction has to be spoken a little quieter because it's 4:45 and I don't want to wake up the neighbors. Today's drone mission is gonna bring us somewhere. It was very Israeli style. We actually planned something and yesterday they said, no, none of this is gonna happen, we're gonna do something else. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm very good, how are you?
Excellent.
So now we're changing the car because the current car is too small because we're gonna bring some more people. Let's hit the road again, and seriously guys, I'm gonna be back once the sun is out, once it is all a little lighter. Because unfortunately, I don't drink coffee. So we're currently driving through the Jerusalem area and we're chasing the sunrise, and we just really hope that we're gonna catch it because our navigation system seems to be a little stuck.
Hi Tom!
Just wanted to say something. We are almost at the location where we want to film. I gotta be honest, I still don't really get what the project today is about. I heard something with dirt bikes, so let's see what we can finally capture.
I don't know, they told us. It looks like it's open because we need to go here. You cannot!
We need fire. Where?
You finally know that you have arrived in Israel when you see many drones up in the sky. Seriously, I'm not kidding. You can see drones everywhere. And they even sell them everywhere. Every tiny little electronics store sells the Sparks and the Mavics. This place is quite beautiful. The view over the hills close to Jerusalem, that's really amazing. Complicated because if you touch focus, you can see that the focus tries to work, you know what I mean? It's like focus. Yeah, exactly. So it's not like the Canon and the Sony.
50.
So we just had a little briefing, and so right now I know what we're gonna do. Basically, it's just gonna be like an action clip, not a story. Even though I love stories so much more. At least we have many inspires. We have a jet ski, we'll have a dirt bike. Come on, let's go grab some awesome shots. Everything's a bit confused, but I tried to make sure that we're all filming with the same frame rate and basically the same settings, so we can later on all share the footage that the others record to create an awesome clip in the end. We only have a few Inspire 2 batteries. Now, I just don't want to have like 2 or 3 Inspires in the air right now. Maybe for later I want to save my battery, so I want to let others fly here right now. Later I'm gonna fly. So currently we're waiting for the motocross guy, and it really sounds like he's coming. Let's not get run over. It seems that we have a plan, even though I did not understand a word yet, but we'll work out the best with this dirt bike.
גם אתה צריך להיות בצילום, האמת.
So at the moment we're having one Inspire 2 in the sky and some communication issues, as it seems.
יאללה יאללה. שישים. הנה הוא שם. שים עין על הרחפן שם רק.
הכל טוב.
טוב, אני רואה שהוא מגיע למשהו שם. תסתכל, עזוב. מעולה.
שיעשה עוד אחד, בוא נעשה עוד אחד.
בוא ננסה עוד אחד.
שיעשה עוד אחד!
עכשיו ממש לאט.
אז שיעשה עוד פעם, יאללה, עכשיו.
עוד פעם, פעם אחרונה.
יאללה, תנו לי עוד אחד.
אני אתחיל לעשות אחורה.
we're having a bit of a hard time because in Israel the 5.8 gigahertz frequency is blocked on which the two remote controllers of the Inspire 2 communicate. That basically means that we're stuck with one single remote controller with the Inspire 2, and tracking objects that way is pretty hard, and we have to be a little creative with just following by tapping on the screen while someone flies the drone. It might sound easy and very doable with a Phantom or a Mavic, but with the Inspire 2 and a very close, very narrow 45mm lens, this is really tricky. And again, we just have a very few batteries, and luckily I saved mine until now.
Like this and then go back. Well, while he's doing the jump here. למה לא? לא, אני רוצה שהוא יכול לעצור.
איזה תיירים מצחיקים יש פה?
בואו נעשה סלפי.
Yeah, this was supposed to be a very serious shot of me walking, but
סתם
May I get some שכחתי חתיכה מזה, זה אפילו בשבילי היה מוגזם.
מיונז בבקשה.
מיון!
יש פה.
איך אומרים אלפיים באנגלית?
יש איזה שם, רגע, תודה.
זה בגלל שהוא שחור?
while everyone else is having their food, I just sneaked away just to talk to you a bit more in private. I'm a little worried about the project, I must admit, because I think, I don't know, it's just not my taste. I am rather into telling stories than into just creating action clips. I'm a little worried about only having the single remote controller setups, because we cannot really use the power of the Inspire 2s that way. So let's just hope that the clip, in the end is going to be good. And yeah, now let me grab some food too. So currently, after the food, we're on our way to a new target, to a new location. I don't exactly know what it's gonna be. Let's check it out. So now I'm supposed to go onto one of the jet skis. So let me give it a try, and let's just hope that we don't lose the camera. My glasses are gone! Let's now, after the fun, get back to work. Let's see what we can capture. And by the way, a friend of mine just lost his DSLR, as it looks like, while the jet ski was just splashing the water at him. So I lost my glasses, we lost the DSLR, let's not lose the drone. It seems that I'm not the only one getting tired, because the last location was right now cancelled. So I don't know, I just gave my Inspire 2 into the hands of another very trustable pilot, and he now empties my final batteries that I was actually saving for some very awesome cinematic last shots. Okay, well, we were almost on the way back home,
And now not only the Inspire batteries have died, not only my battery has almost died, now the car's battery has died. So far so good.